so much. Jean Carvalho, what pencils are you using? Sorry if this was already asked. That's okay. I'm using mostly Prismacolor colored pencils with few pieces from what do you call this? Polychromos and Gold Faber colored pencils. I'm going from dark to light, and I'm starting with my darkest color, which is dark umber. You can use any dark brown. If you're drawing anything with colored pencils, always use dark colors, especially for darker shadows. Thank you, Jean Carvalho. And another tip, I know some of you might find drawing eyebrows difficult. That my best tip is don't just draw the hair of the eyebrows right away, or you need to build the shadows under the eyebrows. So that is what I'm doing right now. His eyebrows, the male eyebrows, is very thick, but I wanna make sure that I was able to build and layer the shadows or the skin tone under the hair of the eyebrows. So don't just you know draw the hair right away. Try to build first the skin tone, because there is skin tone under the eyebrows. Nico Art, so beautiful. Thank you so much, Nico Art. Cheers. Andre Collins, hit the like button. Wow, thank you so much, Andre Collins. To be able to draw realistic drawings or realism as a style for with colored pencils, patience with your layering is a very crucial part to realism. There's no shortcut to realistic colored pencil drawings. You really must undergo the process of the layering process, and there's no shortcut to this. So I hope I don't get you bored, because yeah, you must be willing to undergo this or trust this process of taking your time. Always sharp, pencil should be always sharp, and yeah, just go layer after layer using light pressure.